Bonjour, the class.
Bonjour. Hello. My name is Brittany.
My name's Olivia.
And we're going to be doing a science experiment.
Yay!
Okay, first, we're going to watch some of the videos.
Okay. We talk about science today.
I'll show you a couple more another day. Sound is really good as a prelude to what you're going to do on light. Comparing different kinds of waves is a really good thing.
Okay, let's introduce ourselves.
Bonjour, the class. Je m'appelle Olivia.
Very good. Hello, my name is Brittany. Je m'appelle Brittany. And today we're going to be doing an experiment with some forks and strings.
Yay,
Hit me in the head. First, we're going to do some experiments with some metal forks,
I had the hat.
like demonstrated in the video that we just watched, right?
Yes.
And then we thought maybe we'd try it out with a different kind. We're going to try
then-
some with half metal, half plastic and see about the different sounds. And then we're going to try all plastic and see if that works. Okay, are you ready?
Okay, ready, set, go.
Okay, so we got to tie Take our
I'm
fork
gonna do this one. Okay.
and let me know if you need help. Well, first let's both do the same one together so we can talk about it.
One.
Well, let's do this one together. That one first.
That one because it's soft.
Okay, we'd like to do this one first. So I'm gonna do mine with string, and
I'm gonna do mine with not string. So I did it.
do you tie it on?
Yes, I did.
Good. So you take both sides.
Oh no, one's long, one's short.
That's okay. I think. I don't know.
We are new in videos.
We're very new in videos.
We have
New to science.
and new to science actually.
You need scissors.
What do I make? Oh.
So showing you, we got this attached, nice and tight. I'm going to take both ends, put them in my ear. Can you ding it? I don't know if you can hold it. Maybe just ding it with the other fork. Like, don't hold it.
So cool!
I don't know if it made much noise.
It did.
Well, I didn't hear anything in my ears.
Yeah, because you won't hear anything.
So I'm not sure if the plastic one works.
It does. It does.
It does. Okay. Did you hear a noise?
Yeah, I heard it.
What noise did you hear?
It heard ding like this, Mom.
What do you think makes that noise?
Look, here, I'll show you. Like this.
Like a rattling? Okay, so now I got this one.
I am not going to do it.
Why?
Like, I'm literally not going to do it like mayo.
Why?
Because I'm going to do mayo. What's this?
Whoa.
Did you hear anything?
Here, you gotta listen.
No, I heard it.
Trust me, trust me.
First, I'm going to do mine.
Okay, do yours.
So, everyone, you would want to do a pony in your hair, but I'm not going to hear anything.
Do you want me to pony it?
Yep, go on. No.
Okay, you're not allowed to have it touch your chest. So lean forward so it's dangling. And I'm gonna doing.
It sounds like an instrument.
Instrument. Can you try mine and tell
Oh,
me
can
what?
you hear? Do mine first. Okay. Hold these.
Yep.
Here, I'll show you. It here's so fun.
Maybe not the scissors. Maybe use another fork. Let's
Okay.
put this.
Okay, Mom, do what you did. Just like that.
Okay.
Once.
But you can't hold on to the fork. Whoa!
Doesn't he hear it?
Okay.
It doesn't hear like instrument.
It does. So we have black string, which is a
Black
little bit
string.
thicker.
That's a little bit thicker, and it sounds like an instrument.
Okay, now listen to this one. Does it sound low
Or
or high? What do you think?
I don't know. I'm gonna do it.
What do you think this one's gonna sound like?
Don't know, but it hurts my ears.
Okay, well lean forward. I'll make it quick.
It sounds like an instrument too. So we have two that sound like an instrument.
Which one sounds higher? Which one? You tell me. Which one
This one.
did it sound high or low?
This one sound low, this one sound medium.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta
So,
listen to
Olivia
this.
says that this one sounds
Medium.
medium. This
So
one sounds
I'm
high.
going to wear it.
Wait, we have one last one to try. I also agree. This one had a nice high pitch, most likely because it's metal all the way through, so the vibrations are able to pass through up the string. But last one we're going to try is all plastic
Yes, all plastic.
and see if that does anything.
But if it doesn't, we're gonna not do it ever again.
Oh, goodness.
I'm gonna be so sad.
A lot of pressure. Okay, plastic on the string. Got it in my ears. Can you do me the honors?
1 second, I will.
I don't really hear much. Do you want to try?
Yep. Hope you do it fast.
You got it in your ears?
Yep.
Lean forward. Did I have the same sort of noise?
I think that this is really low.
Low. And then this one is
Medium.
medium.
So I'm
And
gonna,
then which one's this one?
this one's
It is. And then what do you notice about this material?
it's metal.
And then what about this one? Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about this medium?
This one, I think metal and plastic here.
Good. And then what about this one, the last one?
All plastic.
And so the vibrations,
Doesn't do much.
you're right. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you want to do next time, we're going to do another one. One more. We're going to do one after this video.